In this video, we're going to be upping our investment with Hexabot. We're going to be talking about the overall market in cryptocurrency, and we're going to be talking about Laser and its future. Yo guys, Crypto Doge here, back with another video teaching you guys how to make passive income in cryptocurrency. So, as you saw from the intro, we're going to be talking about Hexabot today, we're going to be talking about the market, and we're going to talk about Laser just a bit. The biggest part of this video is going to be Hexabot. I'm really loving Hexabot, so if you guys do want to sign up, link will be in the description below. I'm going to keep investing into here. I'm investing as much money as possible. Right now I have about $420 in the system right now, and I'm going to be doing another deposit of around $70. So if we go to our wallet here, I'm going to deposit this, and I'm going to talk about the website a bit more in depth. Sorry if my voice is a little bit just sounding weird. I am a bit sick at the moment, guys, but the videos still have to be made, so I'm going to still make this video, of course, for you guys. So we're going to do this deposit. All you got to do easily, just copy this, boom, going to max this out. So it's going to be 66 bucks. Wow, the fees are actually pretty high at the moment. That actually sucks. Maybe I'll put it a little bit lower to 670 just to save a few bucks. So yeah, we'll send this over. Wait, I think I can put this higher then, right? Okay, so $67 with the 70 sats per byte. Hopefully it goes through pretty quickly, but let's go. Send Bitcoin there. Transaction is being confirmed. So, let's talk about Hexabot. Right now, the bot settings, I do have mine on the swing trading, okay? The reason why is because you are getting the highest percentage per day by far compared to the other two. So scalping, you are getting 2% to 2.3% for a day. Technical, you are getting around 7 to 8% a day, which is a bit higher than that. But if you do this weekly, 22 to 24, so let's say the average, guys. If we take the average, say around 23%. So if you do 23 divided by 7, that means you're getting almost 3.3% a day, which is a lot better than scalping and a lot better than technical, guys. I would say it is a little bit more risky because you got to keep your money in for longer, but I would say it's definitely worth it. Also, I have my compounding to 100% now. I'm going to keep this to 100% for 1 to 2 weeks. Then I'm going to put that down to 0 and start taking out all the money I get. And then after, you can actually, the cool thing about this website, the best part about it, is that you can actually take out your deposit at any time by pressing release deposit. And, okay, so pretty much you can release your deposit at any time, all of your money if you want, and what they do is just take a 7% fee from that. So what if you do get 1 week of doing this swing trading and then take your money out, you'll still make a good profit. So if you do around 23%, minus 7, that means if you keep your money in this website for 1 week only, you will still be making 16% profit if you take all your money out after, which is actually really good. Sorry guys, I'm pretty sick, but 16% for putting your money in the website for 1 week, that's just amazing. And no other website you can really do that. You always have to put your money in for a long amount of time. It's always locked in for a long amount of time. I'm going to put this back to 100. But yeah, this website's amazing that you can just take your money out at any time. So pretty much what my strategy is going to be is probably, whoops, I meant to go to wallet, putting my money in for like a few weeks, maybe a month, getting as much profit as possible. And you can see my pending deposit here. How much is that? $67. Perfect. So what I'm going to be doing is putting my money in for a few weeks, and then after, taking it out. You see, like, you can release it right now if I wanted to. If I could release all this money, this $420 right now if I wanted to, and all they would do is take the 7% off, which is really cool. Yeah, so the minimum to deposit is 0.005. I did send more than 0.005, right? Right, I think so. Yeah, 0.007. So be careful, guys, that you're sending more than 0.005, because maybe, like, if you're not looking very well at it, maybe you can send a little bit not enough. Let's say you send 0.004 by mistake, and then you might actually lose your money, guys. So be careful with this minimum here, okay? I'm not sure that they'd probably just send it back to you or something, but yeah, Hexabot is looking very amazing. I definitely do recommend you guys to put on swing trading if you want to get the best amount possible. I don't know how long this website is going to stay up for, but I think for sure it's going to stay up for a few months because it's just such a nice website, so well built. They even have their own little faucet here if you want to claim a bit of Satoshis just for fun. I do it sometimes if I'm bored. You can claim it like once an hour. They also have a community section here, which is really cool. That's actually pretty cool. You can just read what people are saying and all of that, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for Hexabot. I'm definitely going to keep my money in for a long time in this system. Well, maybe not for a long time, but definitely going to get some big gains and then get out of the system. So if you guys do want to sign up, link will be in the description below. So if we go talk about the market now for a second, Bitcoin's just going crazy, about to hit $10,000. It literally hit $9,000 like 2 days ago, and now it's almost at 10K, guys. The amount of just big investors and like just the mainstream getting into Bitcoin is what's making this just go parabolically insane, and Bitcoin is just gonna go crazy. I would still be careful, guys, especially at buying at these levels. I am not buying any Bitcoin at these levels because there's also always a possibility for a big dip. There might be a dip. I'm not exactly sure. I can't really predict things for sure, but I'm thinking that at 10,000, it might touch 10,000 and then have quite of a big dip, maybe down to 6,000, 7,000. I don't know if it's gonna go much lower than that. Maybe 5,000, but definitely I don't think it's gonna go any lower than 5,000. I'm pretty sure about that, but it might just keep going, guys. It might go to 10, 11, 12, 15, 20K. You never know, but I don't think it can continue going this high for so long, especially since this is a big coin. This is not like a one random coin out of 100 here at $65 million. This is a coin that's worth $163 billion. So like, this is not something that could get manipulated that hard. So this can't just keep going up so quickly like it has been doing. It could, but you know, but okay, market cap over 300 billion now, which is just insane. If we go look at the market cap here, this was under 200 billion not too long ago, which is just crazy. We go on the 1 month. Look at this. It was at 200 billion like how long ago? Less than 2 weeks ago. Less than 2 weeks ago, guys. That's just insane. It went up 50%. That means the market went up 50% in like what? 13 days. Something stupid like that. That's just crazy. So about 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, the market goes up $100 billion or 50%. That's insanity, guys. I don't know how that could be possible, but this is just crazy. Cryptocurrencies are going insane, and they're just going more and more mainstream. Okay, enough talking about that. We are going to be making more videos on the channel. While I will be making more videos on the channel about trading and more technical things about cryptocurrency, trading, investing, and ICOs, etc. In the near future, I will be making a basic guide for trading and investing in cryptocurrencies. So stay tuned for that, guys. We won't only be talking about HYIPs in this channel. We're going to start diversifying our content very soon. So if we go on to Laser here, obviously still not paying out. Well, not obviously, but they are still not paying out. And people are not depositing a lot, as you guys can see. People are probably getting pissed off about not getting paid out. So the deposits are definitely slowing down, but they're still pretty high, guys. I'm not gonna lie. 4 million. That's still a lot of deposits. That's not something to scoff at, but 206 million. These guys are just getting rich, pretty much. They do have this this laser token that they say it's starting in 5 days. Do I really think they're gonna do this? I'm not sure. I think they're just trying to squeeze out as much money as they can from this platform. Maybe they will release the token for a bit, and then they're just gonna leave because they can't sustain this platform for that long. The hype is dying down, and they just want as much hype as possible. Instead of wanting 200 million, they probably want $1 billion, guys. That's the thing. They're just greedy, and they want $1 billion instead of just a few hundred million. You know, just a few hundred million, as if it's not a lot. But still, guys, I would definitely not suggest anyone investing into this website. I'm not investing, but I do have some money in the website, so I'm just waiting on this. I did convert my my account balance into laser token. One token is like $5, so I have like, let's see how much I have. If I do this times 5, that means I have like $55, like whatever. It's not a big deal. I'm just waiting to see. I'm just kind of curious to see what they're actually going to do, what their strategy is going to be to exit scam, because I know that's what they're doing. They're just trying to get as much money as possible, so don't get fooled by this laser coin balance here. I really don't think they're going to be staying for too much longer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hexabot doing great. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.